First thing first, let's eat first. So I just cook noodles here. Let me see what's all inside. There we go. Can you imagine? And I put some sardines also at microwave. It's really, really hot. I woke up very late because I started very late as well. So I just want to sleep extra. And then this is what I cook today for my lunch. Ooh, yummy. On time. Maring.
Morning.
Maring Pali.
Morning Pali.
Kalay.
Palle.
Kalay. Khal.
Maring Pali. Wale.
Kalay. Kalay. Yeah. How are you doing?
I don't know what does that mean.
It's like,
Is
how
it
are you
fuck you?
doing?
Maring Pali Kale.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Morning Pali Kalle.
Yes. Yes, good job. Oi.
Morning Paling Kali.
Ali Clay.
Morning Pali.
Okay, that's good.
Maring Pali Clay.
Okay.
Maring Pali Kale.
Oh yeah, there you go. That's the accent from all the way from Romania, right? There you go.
Maring Pali Kale.
No, I love you.
Inyana lele she.
That's easy for you, right? Oh my gosh. Morning, Pa.
Ring Pai.
Yeah, morning, Pa. Okay, sure. Pretty. So we were not busy, and then just before we start the operation, we went outside and see the view, and then we went to take a picture for each of us. It was fun. And you can see how pretty so many ships, mixed together that day. It was in Costa Maya. It's really pretty. It's too far from me. I feel awkward now. Just before we close the restaurant, like we have one last table which was in my station, so we were just taking care of them, and they actually finished their dessert, just waiting for their checks and then just giving them the checks as well. Yeah. Is that PHILA? Really far, man. Cannot hear.
Hi Shimring, good evening.
Hi.
Okay, what are you doing?
So I am, I work outside and then I finish. I have few guests, so I just give a hand over to my partner and I started wiping silvers.
Okay.
So I wipe. Can you just come and
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Every night?
And this is a steak knife. Not every night, like not me every night, but we have it depends. Whoever station is finished early, then they go out inside and they start wiping.
Okay, so this is behind the scene. So do you enjoy doing this?
Absolutely, I love my job. That's why I'm here.
Okay.
Any questions for me?
Okay, any chemical for the viewers to know what you use for polishing the silver there?
This is like a soap where, what do we call this one? The soap? I'm sorry, I'll put it on the note, like you can
Okay.
bring it out. Okay?
Sometimes you can add vinegar and lemon juice as well to make it shiny.
Correct, yeah.
All right.
And to make sure it's clean.
All right.
See, it's like very clean.
Okay.
I can see my face.
Anslim.
Quick tour.
Hi guys, I'm taking care of Big China, okay?
All right.
So basically, you know the procedure for Big China? I need to clean it with vinegar, okay?
Vinegar as
To
well?
make it shiny.
All right.
Okay, always we sanitize with vinegar, especially in the steakhouse, but not in the dining room.
Okay.
So it makes sense.
And just to add on vinegar, using vinegar, polishing
Then the black vinegar.
vinegar.
White.
Also to remove the
I just wanna
odor,
make
the
sure.
smell from the seafood. So much
It looks
viewers,
like, see?
check before and after. Here we go.
Ooh, I can see your face there from the silver. This is another day in Key West, which I'm not able to go outside. However, look at the view, like all the way from outside. And zoom it, and this is the funnel. Very beautiful, huh? That's all the way to the back, and the view is still pretty, isn't it? All right. Key West. Going out to Key West is really fun, actually. It's so pretty, no? Say hi. I am calling one of my colleagues to take a video for me. So I'm in the frame right now, and this is the night. In the night, that's so scary, so windy, and it is dangerous. So you know. Hi. I'm glad. Wow. Let me show you. Food. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's our food today. Which we make our own chutney. It tastes so good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video once again. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.